All right, welcome back to our YouTube channel where we do videos on how you can make money online. Yes, and I'm super excited to have you. This is Suibison. This is a new smart contract built on the SEO blockchain, and SEO blockchain is a very wonderful blockchain. But let's talk about the SEO. SEO is a layer 1 blockchain optimizing for low latency blockchain transfer. It focuses on instant transaction finality and high speed transaction to make SEO a suitable chain. Now basically we are going to be accumulating SEO. Presently the value of SEO is about $4.5, and when I knew about few weeks ago it was around 2 point something dollars, there about $3. But today is gradually rising, just the way some of us knew about Million Money, the Ethereum blockchain activity, smart contracts for 4 years ago, and we did not maximize it, we did not take advantage of it. And today, the value of Ethereum, when I knew Ethereum was around 40,000 naira, that's less than $100. But today, Ethereum is about $3,000, and which is over 5 million naira in Nigerian currency. So imagine something growing for about 40,000 naira in a space of 4 years to about 5 million naira. Imagine if you add Ethereum, then maybe 5 to 10 Ethereum. So also history is about to repeat itself. Now we are going to be accumulating SEO blockchain, and this coin might just do $50 before the end of the bull run or by the end of the bull run. Imagine, just decide the amount of coin you want to accumulate, an amount of SEO. So we are going to be using this smart contract, Suibison smart contract built on SEO blockchain, to be accumulating SEO, brothers and sisters, uncles and auntie. And I know you don't want to miss an opportunity like this. This is the founder of SEO, Evan Cheng. He's an American computer scientist. So just take advantage. That is just the by the way, why accumulate SEO token with Suibison smart contract? Number one, it helps you to accumulate SEO, which has a potential to rise tremendously, and you're going to be following the ride to get capital gain and also accumulating multiples of SEO. That is number one. Number two, you are also going to be using this opportunity to accumulate Bison token. As you sign up in the business, you are going to be getting Bison token, which will be listed. How do you participate? It's very simple. Minimum of 1 SU. I always tell people that at least deposit minimum of 1.2 SU and above, which will help you to earn 1% daily for 5 days. After 5 days, it will increase to 0.5% and on from 1% to 1.5% after 5 days, to 2% after 5 days again, to 2.5%, to 3%, to 3.5%, and to 4%, and you earn it till 100 days contract and 4% daily for 100 days. This is very interesting. New deposits must be equal or greater than, so after 100 days you'll be expected to redeposit again the same amount you deposit initially, or you increase it so that you increase your revenue, you're going to increase your earning. That is one way of earning, and that is the first way to take advantage of the opportunity. So you can download any of this wallet, either Token Pocket or your Bybit or your CoinX or any wallet that is SEO enabled. You use it, you fund it, and that is where you also be receiving any wallet address that you choose. Just where you'll be receiving your SEO money. Now, this is another way of making money. I've explained one way of making money. The second way of making money in this opportunity is the speed boosts. Now, when you refer people, you can say increase earning power by producing 2x current deposit. So if you start with 2 SU, for example, and you immediately increase your SU to 4 SU, or you deposit another 3 SU, your earning power increase. Maybe you are earning 1% daily, it will suddenly move to 1.5%, or you are earning 2%, it suddenly move to 2.5% instantly. However, if you also refer people who does double what you have deposited, 2 of them, you are also going to fast track your earning power to move faster. Now, also fast track bonus. If you invite 2 persons within 24 hours of signing on who deposit and activate their account, you are also going to be able to earn 1 SU additional. Wonderful. Then you earn referral bonus if you decide to get involved in promoting the business, which we call the affiliate aspect of the business. And take note, that is optional. But for some of us who love sharing good opportunities to people, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like our videos so that you can be getting updated information about cryptocurrency opportunities. I'm a fond lover of cryptocurrency, and cryptocurrency has been able to change a lot of lives through the information we have been sharing to people. So brothers and sisters, I want you to take advantage of this information you are getting. Information is just knowledge. Information is just knowledge. Application of knowledge is wisdom, and wealth is the crown for the wise. So it's expedient to take advantage of this information you are getting. Although these are just information, and do your own research. These are just my own thoughts about. You can do your own research, do your due diligence, and take advantage and take responsibility for your decision. So I'm only giving you educational value based on what I know, based on what I feel is right, and I feel you should also take advantage of this by doing your research and take responsibility likewise. So when you go ahead to share the opportunity with others, you earn 10% on your first generation. On your second generation, you earn 3%. Okay, so 5%, 3%, 2%, and 1%. So before you say Jack Robinson, your team can actually begin to grow huge just in less than 3 weeks of activity in this ecosystem, because they've been doing maintenance here and there to ensure we have a smooth ride. But some of us bump into the opportunity. We didn't hesitate at all. We had to overcome fear by applying faith, and it's been wonderful. I will show you some of the withdrawals I've made from this opportunity. So what I'm trying to say in a nutshell is that get started. Now we also have the global pool for those who, for every direct referral you receive, 1 share in the global pool. Shares are done weekly. To enjoy more on the global pool, refer as many persons as you can. Now, this is another lovely place. Yesterday, I placed a withdrawal of over $100. That's wonderful, because I have qualified for the Bison King. How do you qualify for this leadership rank? You have a team volume of $1,000, then you would have deposited a minimum of $50, and you'd have referred 3 persons directly, and you'll be earning $25 every week. This is not a chicken change. If you're in Nigeria, you know what that means in Nigeria. Now, Bison King, a team volume of $5,000, then the minimum deposit of $100, and 5 direct partners. I've personally referred over 10 persons to this opportunity. They understand the modus operandi, and this is a pure smart crowdfunding smart contract. It's pure crowdfunding. It's always advantageous to take advantage of smart contract that is crowdfunding, because it's a pool smart contract. Take advantage to contribute yours into the pool, and you also be getting from the pool. So we come together, a collective crowdfunding, and crowdfunding is one of the easiest way you can raise money for yourself in the bull run like this, so that from there you raise money, you can begin to buy other crypto coins that are very, very valuable and will do very well in the bull run. So brothers and sisters, I don't want you to hesitate. I don't want you to miss this opportunity at all. You can see the Bison King. The next target, I'm trying to build my team to $2,000, so that I'm a minimum of 510 direct, so that I'll be earning $250 weekly additionally. Wonderful. Now, because this is a crowdfunding smart contract, there should be some sustainability measures. So what is the minimum withdrawal? Immediately you want to withdraw, minimum of 1 SU you can withdraw. But here is the unique thing, why I love this opportunity. When you withdraw, 60% goes into your wallet, either your Bybit, your Token Pocket, or SU wallet. I recommend that you download SU wallet. It's a decentralized wallet from Play Store. Download it, keep your 12 phrase, and use this as an earning. Or you can use Bybit or any exchange you can use to convert it to Naira. For those of you who want to sell, because it's also important you make some money from it, convert to Naira, and as we're in the festive period, you enjoy yourself, relax yourself with your family. So that's another advantage of this amazing opportunity. Yes. Now, 20% goes back as redeposit into the pool to enable sustainability, and 10% goes to accumulate SBT, that is the Suibison token. Wonderful. And 10% goes to the global pool. You remember the global pool. Now, so when you withdraw, the system is automatically buying SBT for you, number one. And when you deposit, 10% of your deposit also gets you SBT. So this is very, really wonderful. Now look at the tokenomics of this amazing opportunity. Look at the tokenomics. So as you are earning SU, you should also be accumulating these token, and the purchase price at the moment is 0.02. I think as more persons are coming into the ecosystem, the value of this token will be increasing till it's going to be listed on the public domain. Key benefits: number one, you can earn 4% daily. I think after 30 days you begin to earn 4% daily. Wow, wonderful. 4% daily for 100 days, maybe from 30 days. For like 60 days you'll be earning 4%, and some, the 60% of it hits your wallet, and the other enables sustainability of the ecosystem so that we can enjoy this ecosystem for a long time. Global pool bonus for participation, leaders rank for those of you who want to build leadership in this opportunity just the way I am building, and increase your earning power by referring others so that you also earn 10%, 5%, 3%, and 2%. Oh, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Our upcoming products, we are going to be having game P2P, play to earn game. Swap is coming, charity, SEO blockchain education, wonderful. Suibison economies, SBT P2P, SBT app, and SBT Suibison token, wonderful. This is an opportunity you should take advantage of. Don't hesitate, don't waste time at all. Now let's do something. Let's go quickly to so how do you get started? All you need to do is to click on the link. The link will be sent to you. I will drop the link at the end of this video so that you click on the link and see how it works. So look at this. You click on the link, it takes you to the Telegram, because you need to have a Telegram account in order to get this opportunity. So start the bot, open. You can see I'm trying. So I've already registered. Assuming I've not registered, for you who is coming for the first time, it will tell you launch. So launch it immediately. Launch it. When you launch it, it automatically registers you. So click on the link, don't copy it. Click on the link. So you look at my dashboard. I've been able to deposit. So it's about $200 yesterday, but because of the value of SEO has dropped, you can see I've been able to deposit 44 SEO directly and through the reinvestment opportunity. I did a withdrawal this morning. I wish I have not withdrawn. I will do another video for you to show you the evidence of withdrawal. Now, so you can see my money is already accumulating again. I've had a team volume of 5,000 and weekly bonus, wonderful, $99 every week. Oh, why I love this opportunity, and I want to hit $20,000 soon. So brothers and sisters, uncles and aunties, let's take advantage of this opportunity together. You can see I'm taking advantage of my income to really help me to make extra income for. So the link to join this opportunity is below. Just take advantage of it. Don't waste time, don't second guess, and do your research also so that you can take responsibility for your decisions. Action. That is how to build wealth for yourself. God bless you.